Right guys, today we're back with the home cooked meals. Ayan. So, ito actually ang paborito kong gulay nung bata ako. Okay? So, we'll be having ginataang sitaw and kalabasa. In English, calabash. Okay? And string beans. So, yun. Tama, no? Tama. Hindi, squash. Alright? So, kasi bata ako kasi matamis siya. Diba? Sa magulay, diba? Ay, mapakla, walang lasa. Diba? O, basta, iba yung dating. Diba? Kaya ayaw ng mga bata ng gulay. Pero ang kalabasa kasi, maganda sa kanya, naturally sweet siya. Okay? So, let's check first our sugar. Kamusta na ba? Okay, so we are at 107. Okay? So, kain muna tayo and then let's see what happens to our sugar after 1 hour. See you guys. Ayan, so yan yung calabash. Yung sitaw kalabasa. Kanina hindi ko pa pala napakita sa inyo. Medyo malabo yung or mababaw yung... Yan. Okay? It's been an hour. Tingnan natin kung ano ang nangyari sa ating blood sugar. Oh, okay. It's 168. So, not that bad. Okay, normal naman. Siyempre, kumain ka. So, that was half rice, 1 full serving. Saktong busog ka. And, ayun. So, that's good, diba? Always remember, maganda ang gulay. Okay? It's always good for you, lalo na kung diabetic ka. So, and home-cooked meals as much as possible. Alright? So, see you guys next time.